So once you kind of make this your mission, you kind of explore another passion. Maybe one of your passion is to help the world become a better place and stuff. And when you found a new passion, you find new energy. And when you find new energy, you have new ideas, and you start working with new logic or new solutions. Maybe you find a better meaning or a new purpose and stuff. And then you're not going to say, I lack motivation or I lack inspiration and stuff, because trust me, believe me when I tell you this, that motivation is a very small word. It's a very, very small word. And if somebody tells you that, you need to take the next action, then that's how you stay motivated. That's also a very small part of staying motivated and stuff. Above all of that comes the word discipline. So you have to be a disciplined person. You have to kind of take consistent steps, and you have to be disciplined around this. And discipline doesn't mean that I'm going to be a disciplined person and I'm going to do A, B, C, D. It means I decide to do this and I'm going to do it. And I'm going to like put a date and a time to this, and I'm going to not anything let me kind of distract me, or let me be a scatterbrain or whatever. There may be 101 excuses to this. There may be a health concern, there may be a climatic crisis, there may be a financial crunch or whatever, there may be a relationship that's fallen apart or whatever. But if I have decided something and I've made it a part of my vision, or a part of my determination, or a part of my plan and stuff, or the word which people very casually use, a game plan or whatever, quit playing games. Playing games. Life is not supposed to be a game. Relationships are not about games and stuff. Your career is not a game. The point is that you basically have to kind of chalk out a roadmap, and you have to think about, these are the things I want to do, A, B, C, D. Write them down. And sometimes you don't know, when you're a novice or you're a naive person, or you're just new to a new city, you don't know how to do it. You just come out of college, you don't know how to do it. You come out of school, you don't know how to do it. So the point is that not everybody is born a genius. They don't know how to do things. So the point is, write down that you want to do this, and how you will do it will become clear to you, because the doors might open up. You might start interacting and meeting people, and then you kind of put two and two together, and maybe what you thought like 6 years back, or 5 years back, or a year back, you're going to decide and do it. And this is my story. I had thought so many things during the course of my journey and stuff, that I'm going to do this. And those things stayed in my mind, and I thought about them every day. I thought about them every day. For the last 2, 3 days, I've also been at, like kind of taking it easy and stuff. Republic Day, of course, and then the holiday, the extended weekend and stuff. But I'd made some new plans. And I opened up my diary and I wrote down those, and some of them were ideas which I wanted to work on 2 years back, before I had my health concerns stuff. But I was like, sorry to use this, balls, man. It didn't happen then, but it doesn't mean it's not going to happen now. So the point is that, you just have to kind of flush that negative attitude, or flush that attitude of other people. Yeah, तू ये तो कर पाई नहीं, या तू वो तो कर पाया नहीं. I mean, when people say, they discourage you. You haven't been able to do this. You haven't been able to do that. How are you going to do it now? So you got to flush that attitude of other people, and you're going to decide and do it again. So it's your journey, and you go forward with it, right? So write down what you want to do. If you have any goals, any plans, any aspirations, any dreams, write down. And you don't have to get discouraged by what other people have to say, because they don't share what they want to do, and they don't share their failures with you, right? Sometimes only their immediate family knows, or only their partners know, or only their parents know. So you don't know everybody's story. So be confident in whatever you're doing and stuff, and just focus on your own journey. That's the most important thing to do. And make your passion, make your goals, make your determinations the most important for yourself. It's like placing yourself above it all. What we do is we start placing other people and their journeys on pedestals and stuff and all that. I mean, it's fair. Top 10, top 50. There are so many iconic people I bow down to and stuff and all that. But